Mastering risk assessment strategies. Risk assessment is the secret to prioritizing million-dollar initiatives that ignite operational excellence. When evaluating potential projects and allocating resources, how do we effectively utilize risk assessment strategies to inform our capital planning and investment decisions, ensuring that we prioritize initiatives that align with our operational excellence goals and optimize returns? To effectively utilize risk assessment strategies and inform capital planning and investment decisions, a structured approach should be taken to identify, assess, and prioritize initiatives that align with operational excellence goals and optimize returns. This can be achieved by implementing the following steps. 1. Establish clear operational excellence goals. Define and communicate clear operational excellence goals and objectives that align with the organization's overall strategy. These goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, to ensure everyone is working towards the same objectives. 2. Identify potential projects and initiatives. Gather a list of potential projects and initiatives that can help achieve the operational excellence goals. This can be done through various means, such as brainstorming sessions, review of industry trends, and analysis of customer feedback. 3. Conduct initial risk assessment. Perform an initial risk assessment on each potential project and initiative to identify potential risks, opportunities, and threats. This can be done using a simple risk assessment framework, such as a risk matrix, to categorize risks as low, medium, or high. 4. Develop a detailed business case. Develop a detailed business case for each project and initiative, including financial analysis, technical feasibility, and operational impact. The business case should also include a detailed risk assessment, including risk mitigation strategies and contingency plans. 5. Prioritize initiatives. Prioritize initiatives based on their alignment with operational excellence goals, potential returns on investment, and risk profile. This can be done using a weighted scoring model that takes into account various criteria, such as financial returns, operational efficiency, and customer satisfaction. 6. Conduct a detailed risk assessment. Conduct a detailed risk assessment on the top-ranked initiatives to identify potential risks, opportunities, and threats. This can be done using more advanced risk assessment tools and techniques, such as Monte Carlo simulations, sensitivity analysis, and bow-tie analysis. 7. Develop risk mitigation strategies. Develop risk mitigation strategies for each initiative, including contingency plans, risk avoidance strategies, and risk transfer strategies. This can be done in collaboration with cross-functional teams, including operations, finance, and risk management. 8. Review and refine. Review and refine the prioritized initiatives and risk mitigation strategies on a regular basis to ensure they remain aligned with operational excellence goals and investor expectations. 9. Monitor and review. Monitor and review the performance of implemented initiatives on a regular basis to identify areas for improvement and optimize returns. This can be done using key performance indicators, KPIs, and other metrics to measure performance and identify areas for improvement. 10. Continuously improve. Continuously improve the risk assessment and investment decision-making process by gathering feedback from stakeholders, identifying lessons learned, and implementing changes to the process as needed. Additionally, to ensure that risk assessment strategies are integrated into capital planning and investment decisions, the following best practices should be adopted. Establish a cross-functional team. Establish a cross-functional team that includes representatives from operations, finance, risk management, and other relevant departments to ensure that all perspectives are considered during the risk assessment and investment decision-making process. Use a standardized risk assessment framework. Use a standardized risk assessment framework to ensure consistency and comparability across different initiatives and projects. Consider multiple scenarios. Consider multiple scenarios, including best case, worst case, and most likely case scenarios, to ensure that all potential outcomes are considered during the risk assessment and investment decision-making process. Develop a risk appetite statement. Develop a risk appetite statement that outlines the organization's willingness to take on risk and ensures that investment decisions are aligned with this statement. Continuously monitor and review. Continuously monitor and review the risk assessment and investment decision-making process to ensure that it remains effective and efficient. By following these steps and adopting these best practices, organizations can effectively utilize risk assessment strategies to inform capital planning and investment decisions, prioritize initiatives that align with operational excellence goals, and optimize returns.